big business story this Friday is, of course, the fact that investor sentiment has been spooked after Franklin Templeton has shut 6 debt funds. Now, remember, while Franklin Templeton has said that liquidity concerns mounted during the lockdown and that has led to this decision, of course, the street as well as investors remain worried. We have joining with us for this special discussion, of course, Nilesh Shah, who is the chairman of Association of Mutual Funds in India. And we also have Mr. Dhirendra Kumar, who is the CEO of Value Research, joining us for this special discussion. So, Dhirendra sir, first to you. Do you not think this will spook investor sentiment and get a straight sell-off across equities?
No, unlikely. The equity investors are very different from the fixed income investors. In fact, different kind of fixed income investors are very, people choose fixed income funds also differently. The money in the overnight fund or the liquid fund is of a different kind as compared to these kind of funds which invest in companies' bonds. And companies' bond, and this will be about 5 or 6% of the total fixed income fund in the country. But this fund, the 6 funds which have been shut for now, not for now, shut forever, and investors will get money or proceeds of their investments over time. This is, it is very widely dispersed. So it will be very disappointing for investors, and it is very understandable that individual investors will be scared, but not as much fear. If we look at it in relative terms, it is 5% of the fixed income fund. Equity investors are very different. So it is concerning. It was an avoidable problem. It is entirely a problem. Not that these funds have actually gone bankrupt. Just that, it is like the market getting shut for the kind of investment which these funds have made.
Right, sir. But now also going across to Mr. Nilesh Shah, thank you so much for joining us. How are you restoring confidence since you're the chairman of the Association of Mutual Funds in India? Remember this morning, of course, investors were worried. So how are you going to restore confidence for them?
There are various ways of restoring confidence. One is conduct, second is communication, third is probably combination of reaching out to individual level to diffuse their concerns. Let me first focus on communication since you have been kind enough to give us an opportunity. Credit risk fund is around 5% of mutual fund AUM. More than 90% of mutual fund AUM is in non-credit risk fund. An isolated event occurring at one fund house should not color or bias anyone for the entire industry. We are the most transparent industry. Majority of our funds which are in non-credit risk category have superior credit quality reflected by ratings given by independent rating agency. They have liquidity, and in today's challenging time, we have been able to conduct our operations on a day-to-day basis normally. As MFI, we have collected information about borrowings by the mutual funds, and so far, whatever response we have received, almost all of them have replied that they don't have borrowing at all, which means mutual funds have liquidity and they are not borrowing to meet redemptions or dividend payouts. That shows and talks about quality of our portfolio and liquidity. This is an isolated event restricted to 6 schemes of a particular fund house. Their risk profile, their liquidity profile could be different from most other fund houses, and we depend upon advisors like Dhirendra Kumar who will be able to certify different credit profile and different liquidity profile of the fund and reassure investors that they need not deviate from their financial goal.
That's right. Thank you for that clarity, Mr. Nilesh Shah. But remember, we're in the midst of a pandemic and investors are concerned when they've heard that their money is going to be locked in. So how do you, reassure them with regards to that, as well as what is your message to the RBI for further intervention?
Our message to investor is very clear. Till yesterday, we have been redeeming all the money that they need. Even going forward, we don't see any impact on mutual fund industry because of isolated event at one fund house. Majority of our portfolios are invested in liquid instruments like treasury bills, government securities, state development loans, public sector bank certificate of deposits, PSU bonds. And today in the banking system, there is more than 7 lakh crore of liquidity infused by RBI through CRR cuts, LTRO and OMOs. They have intervened in the market via Operation Twist to realign yield curve. We are in a position to liquidate our portfolios as and when we need money to pay our investors. And most of the mutual funds are sitting on cash rather than borrowing to meet their redemption obligations.
Okay. Reassuring words there in these bleak times. Thank you so much for joining us, both of you.